let's do the unboxing of the hybrid case first. So inside the box it's only the case with a polythene wrapper, a plastic wrapper, and they have mentioned it to remove this protective film from the inside and the outside. So front and back there are two films. I'll do that later, so let's go a little close. It has a raised lips on the back also, if you can see, and on the camera side also. This is the power button, the volume rocker button, and the silent button, and the branding is there, the Spigen branding. And from inside I think it will be quite durable and it's very slim. So let's fix this on the phone. Okay, let's remove the film first. Yeah, how to remove that, I don't know. Let's try it. I'm unable to remove this film. I'll try to remove the upper film, but they have not mentioned how to remove the film, so that's why I'm struggling. Anyways, I will remove it. Okay, so I was able to remove the outer protective layer, you can see this one, and from the inside, let me try this again. Okay, so I think I am able to remove the inner film also. Yeah, so I have removed the film also, the inner film also. Quite hard. So yes, so this is the complete transparent case with the green edges. This is the midnight green version of the cover. Let's put it on the phone. Okay, so yeah, here it is. It's looking perfectly amazing. The raised edges, and I think this back will get scratches soon, but it will still save your phone. Let's see. Quite easily accessible, the ports, the rocker, the volume buttons, and the power button. So a good case, which was the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case. I'll drop the link in the description. Let's unbox the tempered glass and how it will look like. Let's make a separate video for this.